Dr. Andrew Manning argues that the lockdowns should continue.
If you just look on the latter figure from yesterday, you would see that we have something like 450 persons who are in hospital for COVID-19, and that actually is over our full capacity. That number illustrates the fact that various things are being done to repurpose non-COVID beds for beds and so on. So based on that alone, I don't think we should stop the measures just yet.
Dennis Chung sees it differently. He argues that the weekend lockdown should not continue. In fact, he says the measure was not necessary to begin with.
We need to identify what are the issues that are causing the problems with the hospitalization. The MOH put out data themselves that says 50% of it is from public transportation, about 25%, and 25% in workplaces. 11% are from parties, right? So you're talking about 61% between those three. Those three are a matter of enforcement.